Every day is a great day to celebrate amazing women, but today is Women's Equality Day. So that gives us an extra reason to do just that. When you think of people who helped fight for the women's right to vote, you think of Susan B. Anthony, Elizabeth Cady Stanton, Sojourner Truth, but there really was something else. What was it? Did you guess? It was the bicycle. Woo! So on Women's Equality Day, so let's honor us and some amazing women on a bike, of course. I bring you here today because in 1913, this is where thousands of suffragettes first marched for equality, for women's right to vote. Right on Pennsylvania Avenue, and here we are on Pennsylvania Avenue. So stay tuned and find out what happened to one of the suffragettes when they were picketing at the White House. So the bicycle really did help the feminist movement. It helped women be able to travel independently without relying on men to take them places. Dorothy Height, the godmother of civil rights movement and a hero to so many Americans, devoted 40 years to supporting African American women and girls. Dorothy was the president of the National Council of Negro Women, and this is the building right behind me. We're at the Turning Point Suffragist Memorial. It took 72 years to get the 19th Amendment that gave women the right to vote. And it took 100 years to get this memorial to honor the millions of women who fought to win the vote. Let's go check out this memorial. A statue of Alice Paul. So with her dramatic protest and marches and demonstration, Alice Paul was an outspoken suffragist. The challenge still remains, what would you do for equal rights? Oh, it's pretty powerful, pretty emotional. The remarkable Margaret Brent in 1648. This was a woman landowner who grew tobacco right here in Alexandria's Jones Point. She asked for the right to vote almost 400 years before the 19th Amendment was ratified. She was an early feminist. Marianne Anderson, a well-known opera singer, was barred from singing at a DC concert hall because of the color of her skin. So she held the concert at the Lincoln Memorial and 75,000 people attended. When Elizabeth Hartwell heard that a developer wanted to build homes and an airport here on Mason Neck land where eagles nest, she organized an effort to stop the development. Now we have the Elizabeth Hartwell Mason Neck National Wildlife Refuge in her honor, and we can watch the bald eagle soaring through the air. Thank you, Elizabeth. Frances Perkins not only became the first woman to serve as its cabinet secretary, but she was a principal architect of the President Franklin Roosevelt's New Deal. And they named Department of Labor building after her, which is right behind me. So where is the first memorial honoring American women for their patriotic services? Give up? It's right here. It's right next to the Vietnam Veterans Memorial. And it took until 1993 to get this statue to honor women who volunteered and risked their lives to take care of the country's wounded and dying in the war. Women. I am in prison right now. After picketing from the White House, Lucy Burns was thrown in prison. She went on a hunger strike, all because she was fighting for the women's right to vote. There were 72 women suffragettes who were imprisoned inside this prison, and they were demanding the right to vote. This helped set the motion to ratify the 19th Amendment, the right for women to vote. Woohoo! Thank you, Lucy Burns. Thank you, Alice Paul. Thank you to all the amazing women, including you. There is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. We are women. Hear us roar. Hope to see you riding. We are finally entering into, no we're not. Oh my God. Please subscribe to our channel by tapping the button.